Welcome to 7 Boards Academy. Right now we will discuss about how we can install a new plugin for a self-hosted WordPress website. Now, self-hosted WordPress website is basically from wordpress.org. So there is a basic difference. wordpress.com, that is a free blogging platform. So if you create a new blog in wordpress.com, the URL would be like xyz.wordpress.com. So it's a free subdomain you are getting on wordpress.com, but here we are talking about wordpress.org. So let's see how it looks like wordpress.org. So if you go to wordpress.org, so you can see the website here. So this is a web software you can use to create a beautiful website, blog or app. So this is wordpress.org. So you have to download this WordPress and you have to install this WordPress. It's a open source platform, so you have to install it on your web hosting server. So to develop a website nowadays, you only required to purchase a domain name and the web hosting server, and most of the cases in your web hosting server you get a automatic script installer. That is, sometime it's called Fantastico, sometime the name is Softaculous or Auto App Installer. So you can install within 5 to 10 minutes the wordpress.org, and you can create a beautiful self-hosted WordPress website with your own domain name. Now we discuss with the self-hosted one WordPress website. Then you can create the cosmetic changes, you can apply new changes by purchasing new themes, or you can add additional features by installing the new plugins. Now plugins means these are the piece of software only for the WordPress platform. So you can get from WordPress repository the different plugins, and you can, from your WordPress self-hosted WordPress admin dashboard, you can easily add a new plugin. So these are the different plugins and all the reviews are here, and what is the functions of these plugins, it's written here. So you can search as per your need and you can add these plugins and you can create a beautiful website. But always remember that the total number of plugins should not be more than 25-30, otherwise your site would be slow, and then you have to get a good server, web hosting server, so that you can run your WordPress self-hosted WordPress websites very smoothly there. So let's check with the self-hosted WordPress dashboard. So this is the website clientsites.in/students. So this is our self-hosted WordPress website. So to log in here, you type clientsites.in/students/wp-admin. So this is our URL to log into the backend. We click on this. I got a spelling mistake here. So click on this and you see this login dashboard. So you have this username password with you at the time of creating the self-hosted WordPress from your web hosting server. So we put it here with the username and the password, and we log in here. And we can see from this panel, we can see the plugin section, and we can check with the installed plugins. We can add a new plugin. So plugin is a piece of software that will give you additional feature with your WordPress self-hosted WordPress site, and these plugins are sometimes free, mostly free, and few plugins are paid or premium plugins. So you click on add new, and you can see the list of popular plugins here. So you can see the featured plugins, popular, recommended, and you can also search plugins. So suppose I want to add a caching plugin so that my website's loading speed should increase. I can enhance my loading speed. So I would search here with cache plugin. So I write here as caching. So I click on caching, and let's check with what are the different caching plugins it's showing here. So different kind of caching plugins. Now we see the reviews like this, 1 million active installs there, and it's a very good review here. So you can see the install now button here, so you can click on install now, and let's wait for the installation. It will take hardly 1-2 minutes. And so it's saying that some problems there, so plugin installation failed. So let's go to the plugin installer again. It's showing already this plugin has been installed here. Some boxes are there, so let's check with something else. So let's go with some other plugins, say contact. So click on this. So we can get a contact form here. We can see the contact form. So there are different contact forms. So let's check with contact form 7. Search here. So you see the contact form 7. So it's showing, so already it's installed. Uh, let's take some other plugins here. For example, let's check with some social sharing plugins. So for example, say we want to click on this share, we click on install now, and we can see that successfully installed this plugin. Now there are two options, activate plugin. So you can click on activate plugin, and after you activate the plugin, you can see it from the settings list. So you can see from the settings. So these are the different settings here. You can see here let's check with this. Let's check with so normally what happens, we can get here the new plugins that we can get either under settings or in the left hand side. So let's check with the installed plugins here. Now we check with social media share widget. So this is just a widget. So the widget plugins we normally get from the widget section. So if we click on the widget section, now you see here we have another plugin here, like we have seen another share button, social media share widget. We can see, say, this Kitchenberg. Okay, so let's check with this Kitchenberg, and if you want to deactivate this plugin, we can deactivate, and you see the Kitchenberg plugin links is there. So after deactivation, the Kitchenberg link from the left hand side, that is gone. Now in widget section, you can see the social widget should be here. You can see the social media share widget here. Now what you can do, you can bring it to the sidebar section. So bring it here, social media share. So you can select the different themes here, and automatically the social share button would be there, and you can save it. You can save it as per your location. You can also keep it to your normal sidebar section. So you can go to social media share, you can just drag and drop it to your sidebar, blog sidebar. So this is your widget section. So this is all about how you can add new plugins, and after activation you can get the new plugins in the left hand side of your dashboard, or else you can get into the settings part, or else you can sometimes you can get it under the appearance and widget section. So that's all about. Thank you. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, advanced level of digital marketing, you can enroll today to our 7boards Academy, www.7boards.com/academy. Thank you.